My name is Ben Hanks. I'm part of the Backhoe product group here in Leicester in the UK, and I'm going to talk to you today about the myBHL loader application. The app is a partner application for the F and F2 series backhoe loaders. It's to assist in day-to-day operation, maintenance, troubleshooting of your machine. It uses a CAT Bluetooth module which plugs into the machine, and that's a specific device that talks only with our app and communicates to the sensors that are already built into your machine. So the app is designed specifically for iOS, for Apple touchscreen devices, so you can use it on an iPad, which we're using here to demo the app, or on an iPod Touch, but we recommend using an iPhone because some aspects of the application require a mobile data connection. Through a couple of scenarios of how you might use the app. So at the start of the day, within the service section, we have a maintenance checklist. So this contains kind of daily, weekly, and all your product maintenance checklists. So if we go into the daily checks, you have a complete checklist here of all the checks you need to complete on a daily basis, and you can go through and tick those as you complete them. If you get to one where you're not completely sure how that needs to be done, there's an additional image that highlights how that check needs to be performed. When you've completed all your checks, you can hit complete in the top right, and that will then save the report. So you can see here that we're saving that with the engine hours on the machine. So during the day, we have a performance meter here. This can be used to show various functions of your machine. So for example, ground speed, and that can be shown either as a graph format or as a gauge. At the end of the day, there's a couple of other functions here that are quite useful. So we have a parts information section, and that lists out all the basic maintenance and service and repair parts that you might need for your machine. It also has links to the parts.cat.com parts store. And we have a locate a dealer function here in the bottom left, and that allows you to look up a dealer based on your current location, which is kind of useful if you're out in the field, or your preferred dealer. So that might be one that's kind of closest to your home or on your route home. And that function also includes information on their location, which feeds into the satellite navigation system within your phone to give you directions. Okay, so we get occasional comments from customers, particularly the DIY customers who like to do their own service and maintenance, that the increase in number of electrical and electronic systems on the machine make it hard for them to troubleshoot and repair their machines. If you do have an issue, we have some basic level fault code information on the display within the machine. This app echoes that information, and we have a warning lamps and indicators section which gives you some additional information on what those warning lamps mean. But we also have dealer level diagnostic code information within the app, so it gives you the ability to look up active fault codes, so they're ones which are currently causing an issue on the machine, and also historic fault codes, which are ones that have caused an issue or been a live fault code in the last 100 hours. So in summary, this is an iOS application. It's for the F and F2 series backhoe loaders. The app is available for free download from the Apple App Store. The Bluetooth hardware required for installation is available from your CAT dealer, and you can contact them for more information today.